away from that toad. Want it? Want it? You can't, can you? Can you? Can you? You can't get it. You can't get it, can you? You can't, you can't, you can't. No, you can't. Can't get it, can you? Oh, now you're sitting for it. Sitting for it. You just want to do. You do. Yes, you do. Look at my dog. Look at that dog. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Yeah, look at that dog. Oh, I forgot to introduce me. This is my first video at AliceQualit.com. Bye.